We feel we need to clarify that we are trying to use the same tools our dad used over 10 years ago to keep the 850 in running condition as much as possible while restoring it. It's safe to say those tools were not qualified for this job. We never had to deal with nuts this stuck, so we made a short video about our amazement on this situation. The response was overwhelming and we are very humbled by all your suggestions. The most recommended and affordable method suggested was to use heat and 3/4 inch tools.
Yeah. Oh yeah! Thank you YouTube and Hardy. So let's remove the claw. Brake claw. There it is. The what?
The caliper.
Oh. Oh ja. Brake claw. Brake caliper. It's a miracle. Very good. Seems to be something wrong here.
What?
So that's the wheel bearing. Right then. Not sure if that was supposed to be loose.
Why did it come off?
Well, yeah, that's a rounded nut, I guess. So let's get the grinder out then.
Yeah.
Ja, there is she.
So that's another bolt that won't come off. But
So, slide machine.
let's cut it off. So the ABS sensor has to come off. Maybe we should have done that.
Undone that earlier.
Right, so. Yep. Probably have to be replaced.
So we were still in doubt that the car was driven with its loose axle and bearing, but when looking at the ABS sensor ring and the ABS sensor itself, well, it's showing so much wear that it almost must have been driven like this. Let us know what you think about it in the comments below.
Found this old driver. Yes.
That's one done.
As Uwe Holster already mentioned in the previous video, the nuts on top of the suspension are installed incorrectly. The cross or insert nut should be below the insert washer, and on top should be only the locking nut.
Get out there.
Dude, your elbows got so much grease.